our way there. So still about to say cheese. No. No. See man. It's gonna be a whole heap of fun. Running around. Here comes the rest of the family. He's out, so we need to still teach them a few tricks. Here's a treat. Get us attention. Here's a treat. Lee, come here. Oh, come on. Hey, Elijah. Here's Elijah. Say hi everybody, hi to the cousins, hi to friends, family. Hi, hi bye, hi bye. Hi, hi, hi. Yo! It's going through town. Hey Lee, what's happening? Elijah, so you're gonna put a comment below and say, who do you take to the beach? Do you take your dog? What toys do you bring? What toys did you bring? Dog and a digger, yeah. Love diggers and construction toys, me too. And Daddy works on big trucks because I'm a mechanic.
Hey, don't coming down.
Yeah, hey Blue. Oh, you're a snob, you know that?
Coming down.
Oh, yeah, it's alright.
What's wrong?
Daddy's got him. Boom, bop. Yeah, hi. Still on our way there. So, still about 40 minutes drive. Yeah, we're gonna go and see Granddad and then spend time with the family, eh?
That's what cool from it.
Eh? Say cheese. No. No. See Nan. Yeah, we're gonna get to the beach. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a whole heap of fun. Check this out. Sleep. Bye. Who farted? I'll do a time lapse before I sleep for you guys. Have a good time watching that. Hey Lou. So on our way, getting tired. Look, this little dude, he's still sleeping. Oh, you fell asleep too. You're lucky Nancy Ali. Oh, almost there. Hello. Hey, you woke up. Hey, it's a bit uncomfortable. Are you gonna enjoy the beach? Yeah? Surely, alright. Take you around, run around, maybe jump in the water, unless you're a bit scared. Oh, look at you, I'm going to sleep now. I'm sleeping, I'm so tired. Look, I'm so uncomfortable. Hello. Oh, I'm excited, but I'm also tired. Oh, we're at the beach. Blue's running around. Here comes the rest of the family. Probably distance. Hello! This dog, Blue, doesn't like to listen when he's out, so we need to still teach him a few tricks. Hey, get us attention. Blue, come here. Blue. Blue, here's a treat. Yum, yum, yum. Blue, here's a treat. Here's a treat. Blue, come here. Oh, come on. Come. There's Elijah. Hey, Elijah. Hey, everyone. We're at the beach. You can say hi, Elijah. You're trying to call me, Booze. You're trying to call me. Here's everyone.
Some dogs down there.
There's some dogs down there. Say hi. So there's Ellie. What's up? She does her own YouTube channels. There's dogs still running around. Oh, he's got a stick. Are you ready for a bitch? Got the stick here. Blue! Here, boy! Here, boy! Here, boy! See if it's a response. Yeah. Blue! Watch this. That's stick. Whee! No response. Oh. Yeah. Zooming in as much as I can. You're like, who are you? Get all wet, little dude. Hey? You fell over. Oh, I should have got that on camera. Aye. Auntie Ellie drying you up. Hey, you're going to be back in the sun. Nice day. Yeah. Now we're going to see Granddad, Grandnan, eh? And Nan. Yeah? Hey, Blake. Just been to the beach, eh? Hey, dude. Yeah. Dog had a run around. Hey? Yeah. Ready? We've got a bottle of water in the car. Hey. Did you enjoy yourself at the beach? No, you got wet. Fell over and got wet. Yeah, it was. Yeah, and you got changed. Look at it. And your new camo gear. They're all camouflage and I can't see you. Nah. Yeah. On our way to Nan and Granddad's place, eh? So yeah, just leave a comment below on what you do at the beach and all that. And what fun you have. Do you take your dog like we have? Yeah? Say hi, Mum.
You kick your foot down?
Ah.
You hit a judder fast. Yeah, just thinking of doing something, eh?
That bumby hands there.
We're all having fun.
It's good power.
Elijah! There you are. Peekaboo!
It's some of the soft tops, so one guy, it's not an iron.
Come on, you're never shy. You gonna play outside? You gonna play outside with Blue? Yeah? Let's go! Come on! Come on, let's go. Open sesame! Oh! What you got there? Got a truck. Where'd you get that from? Yeah, you got your supply of toys in the box here with Grandnans and Nans. Yeah. There comes Blue. Yoza. What's happening? What's happening, Blue? Why are you looking so yellow? Tan little guy. Yeah. Go on. Yeah, Blue. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, I know you want to meet everybody. Yeah, we're in Granddad's place. Hey, nice sunny day out in the countryside. Hey, where are you going in there? It's open? Oh. What's in there? Hey? What's hidden behind door number 1? Oh, I got the truck! Oh no! There we go. And I got the dog licking my head. Hey, Blue. Oh, brown eye. You can show the kids what you're doing? First thing, you get an adult, like myself. Hey? Get me to grab it. No. Otherwise you're going to hurt yourself. Hey? As long as you got an adult supervising your little one, it's all good. Yeah. Really like me to go backwards. How about if we go down the hill? Watch this. No, wait. They're eating your chips. They're your passengers. Wait, ready? Go down the hill. You can chase it. Ready? Wait, there we go. Woo! Blue, come here. No. You're gonna eat your food. Your passengers are on your truck. So what you can do with that truck? And it's like Granddad's truck, yeah? It's got monsters on it. Look at that! Woo! It's Granddad himself. Eh?
Hello?
You greet the dog. Hey, Blue. Oh no, that's alright. Hey, he'll learn. He's gonna learn. I know, right? Hey, look at that. Granddad's porch. That's looking good. Got your table and all, outdoors table. Looks pretty. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Another one actually.
Pretty cool.
There's one actually already has to.
Hey, little dude. No. Yeah. Jump on you? Did he? Oh, did you jump on Elijah? Oh, I think he's sad. Look at these. He's like, oh, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to, Daddy. I didn't mean to. He's like, oh, go. Oh, look at it, playing with the fly. Daddy gonna chase you. Oh, you got your truck there. Woo! Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. There it goes. Oh, crash and burn. Crash and burn. Yeah. Where are we going? Peace out. Hey, Blue. So what do you like to do for fun out here? Blue and Wee? Yeah, I think he's marking his territory. I think that's what dogs do, little dude. Hey? Yeah. They like to make sure there's no other dogs that come across, otherwise he's going to be overprotective. Yeah, of this place. Look at that, he's stretching out his legs, checking out the place. Heaps of room to run around. Hey, Blue. What's that? What color is the lemon? What color is the lemon, little dude? No. What color is the lemon? No. Oh, that one looks orange. But look at the color of that one. What color is that one? Yellow.
Yellow.
Yay! Good boy. Look at that. Heaps of lemons, eh? Yummy. Oh, I'd love to see you try. Ooh, yummy. Looks tasty. Oh, treehouse. Go to the treehouse. The old rickety treehouse over there in the distance. See that tree? Oh, that looks delicious. Yummy. Does it taste as good as it looks? Doesn't take much for a dog to like them, but he's quite comes to You can get into your phone. Hey Blue, come here. I showed a few magic tricks. I showed a few tricks that I taught little Blue. Blue, come here. Come here. It's like, would show to everyone. Blue. Oh, that's not a good example. Blue, come here. Blue. Blue. Blue, come here. Blue. Oh my. Blue, come here. Blue, sit. Sit, boy. See, that's one. Blue. Blue, look at me. Sit. Oh, there we go. Blue. Blue, look at me. Lie down. Lie down. Oh, there we go. There we go. Another one I'm going to show. Hey, Elijah. Hey? Good? Jump? Good boy. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. There we go. Thank you. Thank you for that, Blue. Oh, so lovely day. Yeah? Here's Elijah. Get excited. Get excited. Hey, Blue. Hey? You roll on the cow poop that I gave you a wash before. Wow, so small.
I'm sure these are the ground. I'm sure they're just the ground ones.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, this is not bad for me.
How do you like it, Elijah? How are you liking it? How many colours is? Many colours. What colours did you see? Yeah, how many colours did you see? Red and white? You got blue and green? Yeah?
And black.
Oh, this is the black. That's at night. See, it's night time.
Yeah.
A lot more fireworks coming in. And maybe he was hoping that the that one. Look at another one, Elijah.
Another one away, Bob. Oh, it's another ground one.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's like strawberry. Oh, and that's just the other light making the effect.
Very, very low.
Oh, look at that.
That's nice, Baba.
Red and yellow, yeah.
Yellow. Read it, yellow.
Heaps of red, eh? What's your favourite colour?
Red.
Red. Yeah. Daddy's blue and Mummy's blue.
Did you tell everyone how old you are?
5.
Oh my gosh, you're already going. Are you already going to school?
3. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I reckon. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Granddad out there. Let's see another one.
Whoa! Nice. Hi. Whoa! Wow! That's it. How many? Oh, she's got. Oh, gosh. Where's it go? Wow! She's having a look at it.
Noisy. Noisy. The blue would be barking off that. Hey, we're here with Granddad and Uncle and the rest of the other family there. See? We're watching fireworks. Yeah, watching fireworks there, eh? So, put a comment below saying what do you do what are you doing for Guy Fawkes Day and what type of Guy Fawkes fireworks day are you using? So at the moment we've just got these little piddly ones. With the air balloon locked up, make sure it doesn't go off with the fireworks that we have outside. That doesn't make too much noises, eh? Someone? Oh, hi. Okay. Well, we're going to get back out there, check it out. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Hi now, dude. Good boy. Oh. Say bye. With Ellie. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I put out there, and we enjoyed actually taking it and being part of it. So you know, I hope you like it, subscribe, put a comment below, tell us what you think, and also, hey Ali.
Subscribe. I'm also a YouTuber. I just can't stand looking at myself at the moment.
That's right, we finally found the cat. Hey. Hey, so Elijah's knackered, so he's had his fun and all that. But yeah, you guys check it out if you want. Repeat or whatever.
Go and
and,
subscribe.
Yeah, and then
like
got more
page.
got more videos out there. So awesome. Peace out. Have an adventure. Use that imagination. Tune in for the next videos that hopefully coming soon. See ya.